Using ExpressVPN is simple and straightforward. Here's how to get started. Sign up and download. First, go to the ExpressVPN website and sign up for an account by selecting a plan that suits your needs. After creating an account, download and install the ExpressVPN app on your device. It is available for various platforms, including Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, and even routers. Log into your account. Open the app and log in using the account credentials you created when you signed up. Connect to a VPN server. Once logged in, you will see a power button on the main screen of the app. Click it to turn on the VPN. The app will automatically connect you to the best available server based on your location. If you want to change the server location, click on Choose Location and select a server in your desired country. ExpressVPN offers servers in numerous countries worldwide. Enjoy secure browsing. Once connected, you can browse the web securely, access geo-restricted content, and keep your online activities private. Disconnect when done. When you're finished, click the power button again to disconnect from the VPN.